In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Typeform into your WordPress site. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your PC. Any modern browser will work well. In the address bar, type typeform.com and press enter. When the site loads, log into your account. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step, and if you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one that contains the form you want to use. Once you're in, open your form from the dashboard. This takes you to the form's overview, where you can manage settings and distribution. At the top of the page, click Share. The Share area is where Typeform gives you different ways to distribute your form, including links and website embeds. Next, click Embed. You'll see several embedding styles. Choose Standard. This is the most common option and places the form directly on your page so visitors can fill it out without opening a pop-up or leaving your site. It's ideal for most use cases and keeps the user experience straightforward. Now click Start Embedding. Typeform will generate an embed code for you. This is typically an iframe snippet designed to load your form responsively. Click to copy the code to your clipboard. Keep this window open in case you want to come back and adjust settings like width, height, or background behavior later. Switch over to your WordPress admin. You can reach it by navigating to your site.com/wp-admin in your browser. Once you're in the dashboard, go to the page or post where you want the form to appear. Open it in the editor. In the block editor, add a custom HTML block and paste the Typeform embed code directly into that block. If you prefer, you can switch the page to the code editor and paste the embed code where you want the form to display. If you're using the classic editor, switch from visual to text mode before pasting so WordPress doesn't try to format the code. When the code is in place, click Update if you're editing an existing page or Publish if it's a new one. After saving, your Typeform will be embedded and should load automatically on the front end. If the form doesn't appear right away, clear your browser cache or refresh the page. For tighter layout control, ensure the embed is within a full width or content width section that suits your design, and avoid containers that hide overflow, which can clip the form on smaller screens. That's it, you've successfully embedded your Typeform into WordPress using the standard embed, keeping things clean, fast, and user-friendly.